them dogs doing? Hold him, Ivy. Down here, right past that green, there's a place up underneath the bushes that they were hanging out. No, that's cows. Yeah, this is pigs on this side, cows. Yeah. Nope, misses.
Oh.
There, got one.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Ain't gonna hear the end of that one. Oh.
Get her.
Ivy.
Get her.
Ivy, come on. Come on, Ivy. Up. Let's go.
In the boat.
Load up. Okay. It might be the same one. There it comes. It's coming back on.
That one right there?
That one? Did he come out?
No.
Okay, let go.
They come out.
No, he couldn't have. Not that grappler. I got him with that grappler. He don't like these lights. Yep. There you go. But I hit him pretty hard because he stopped.
I heard it.
And he stopped. He stopped too. And that grappler, boy, it's in it.
He's coming back toward us.
Okay, good. Get ready, make it happen. If you can hit him in the head, shoot him in the head. Okay, he's down deep. Take it. Slow.
I got it. Crank it in.
There he is. Okay, good. I got him in the side. So.
I'm trying to get him to come up.
Yep. No, yeah. I need a glove bag. Oh. Two grapplers, baby. Oh, my arm. Oh, no. Oh, we don't want it there. Okay. Damn.
Oh, he ain't done.
Okay, hold on. We need to bring him over here. No, not the gaff. There's my noose. Bring him over here.
I got him right here. Just go
Okay.
get the noose. Here.
Okay, I want you to hold my bow.
Okay.
Hold my bow.
The bow go.
Where's he at?
Boy, you were barely in him, Marty.
Nah, that's them grapplers, man. Take him aside. Get him off this tower. Just stay there. Oh. Grab both arrows and watch your toes. Get him in. What is that? Is that what I think it is?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Of all the things I've seen bow fishing, okay. Steve. Ooh, where'd he go? There he is. Hey, I got him. Nope, sorry. Shot a little bit low. There's one coming out, Laura. See him? Oh! Nailed him! him. Yeah, he did.
I can hear him flashing.
Oh, look at that shot. Now, that was a good shot.
I got him.
Yes, you did. You didn't think you did? Run right here, Brian. Uh-oh. Good shot, Brian. Good shot.
There's one right there.
That was close. There's one right here.
Down, Ivy.
See it? Yep. Yep. Here's one, too.
I heard the bump on that one.
Yep. I hit him in the head, that's why. Oh, there's another one. It's all right. Oh, yeah, baby.
I got him.
Yes, you did. Did you really? Oh, you hit him high in the tail.